kids. Welcome to Learn Little Baby, the funnest place for stories, adventures, and learning. Today, we are going to read all these super exciting books together. Are you ready to jump into this magical adventure with me? Let's get started. Okay, but before I start, I have a fun challenge for you. While reading, keep an eye out for a hidden hummingbird. When you find the hummingbird in these pictures, then type I found it in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so we can read more fun stories together every week. Okay, so which book should we start first? Should we start with ABCD? Yes, let's start. A for apple, B for bear. What do you think will come with C? C for cat, that's right. C is for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F for, come on, say it with me. F for fish. G for, that's a beautiful girl. H for your hat. I for, that's an igloo. J for yummy yummy jelly. K for, that's a key. Where do you use the key? Can you tell me in the comments? L for lion. Can we roar together? M for monkey. N for a net. O for yummy yummy orange. P for pen, the pen we write with. Q for quilt. R for a rat. S for is your favorite swing that you swing in the park. T for is a big tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for wool. X for x-ray. Y for yak. And Z for zebra. That's right. Come on, now let us move to the next book. What should we take? Numbers. Oh, so cute, two little kittens. 1, 2, 3, yummy yummy cupcakes. 4, yummy yummy ice creams. 5, guitar. 6, there are 6 types of ball. 7, look at these beautiful dolls. 8, where do you see these balls? Do you remember? It is decorated on the Christmas tree. 9, yummy yummy strawberries. And these are 10. Wow, 11 candy sticks. 12 toys. 13 chocolates. 14 buttons. 15 fish. 16 colorful balls. Wow, 17 soft toys. 18 flowers. 19 leaves. And the final 20. Okay, now let's read this together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are you reading with me? Come on, say it loud. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Bye bye, numbers. Now we are going to read about colors. So tell me, kids, which is your favorite color in the comments? This is red. What a red color? Red color is a strawberry. A strawberry is of red color. An apple is of red color. Wow, blue sapphire and a blue butterfly. A yellow lemon and a yellow sunflower. Violet, a fig is of violet color and an eggplant. A pink rose and a pink cotton candy. Black coal and a black crow. Do you remember the challenge? What are we looking for? A beautiful hummingbird. Write in the comments, I found it when you find it. O is for orange and a basketball. Do you guys play basketball? Green is for a cucumber and a broccoli. These are very healthy for you. Gray is for dolphin and an elephant. White is healthy milk and an igloo. And the last we have brown, yummy chocolates and a brown bear. Okay, bye colors. Now next we are going to read fruits. Do you people eat fruit? Fruits are very healthy for you. Keep eating them every day. This is an apple. This is an orange. This is a watermelon. And this is coconut. Coconut is also very healthy for you. Wow, banana, fresh looking bananas. And mouth-watering pineapple. Wow, this is a peach and a mango, same color. Do you see a similarity in these? They are both of yellow color. This is a raspberry and a blueberry. Wow, yummy cherry and pomegranate. These are strawberry and pear. Wow, grapes and papaya. These are so yummy. Guava and plum. Are you guys reading with me? Because reading is a very good habit and we need to inculcate reading habit in kids from a very early age. So come on everyone, read it aloud with me. Kiwi, apricot, grapefruit, avocado. And that's it. We have read all our fruits. Say bye to fruits. Bye. Okay, so now we have what should we read? What should we read? Vegetables. We should eat vegetables every day. Vegetables makes us very strong. Cauliflower, cabbage, bell pepper, asparagus, carrots, pumpkin. They both are of orange color. See, yummy zucchini and French beans. These are green leafy vegetables. Okra and green pea. Wow, spinach and lettuce. These are green leafy vegetables. These are corn and Brussels sprout. An onion and a turnip. Wow, potato and sweet potato. Wow, yummy. An eggplant and a beetroot. Broccoli and a radish. We have read all our rich in vitamins and minerals vegetables. Now say bye to vegetables. Now we are going to read shapes. Okay, what shapes do you see? Wow, this is a circle. Do your mama also wears a bangle? Wow, this is a square and a photo frame. Do you see a photo frame in your room? That is a square. Oh, that's a triangle. The sandwich, the yummy, yummy sandwich that your mother makes for you every day is a triangle. Wow, that's a heart and a heart balloon. That's a rectangle and that's an envelope. Wow, that's a twinkling star that you see on your Christmas tree. And that's an oval and the protein rich egg that you should be eating every day. Wow, that's a diamond and the kite you fly in the sky. And that's the last shape, that's a moon. And that's crescent and that's a moon. Now we come to our last shape, that is hexagon. Where do you see this? That is a beehive. Okay, now let us read all the shapes together with different colors. Okay, let me know in the comments what color was which shape. Like you have to write circle was of orange color. Now go on and tell me which color is the triangle, which color is the diamond, which color is the heart, which color is the star, which color is the rectangle, which color is the oval, square, crescent and hexagon. Come on now, write in the comments which color is which shape. Say bye-bye to the shapes. Now we are left with 3 more books. Let's start, let's read. Which one should I pick now? Birds or farm animals or wild animals? Wild animals are the animals that live in the jungle, like a tiger and a lion, a fox and a wolf, a giraffe and a zebra, a kangaroo and a deer, a bear and a polar bear, and hippopotamus and a rhinoceros, a panda and an elephant, a monkey and a gorilla, a koala and a porcupine, a hyena and a boar, a crocodile and a cheetah. Say bye-bye to your wild animals. Now we are left with 2 books. Which should I pick? Birds. Wow, that's so cute. That's a duck and a goose. That's a turkey and a hen. That's a parrot and a peacock. That's an owl and a crow. That's a sparrow and a pigeon. That's a swan and a penguin. That's a woodpecker and a kingfisher. That's an ostrich and a crane. That's a robin and a hummingbird. We have been looking for an hummingbird. Come on now, write in the comments, I found it. That's a toucan and an hornbill. That's an eagle and a vulture. That's it. Those were our beautiful birds and we finally found a beautiful hummingbird. Now the last one we have is farm animal and pets. Pets are those animals that we can keep in our house, like the cow, a bull, a goat and a sheep, a cat and a dog. We generally have dogs in our home and beautiful cats, a horse and a camel, a rabbit and a ferret, a llama and an yak, a donkey and a rooster, a pig and an hamster, an emu and a parrot. Okay, so duck and goose are coming back again. hen and turkey. That's it. Thank you for watching the video and learning all these books together. Come on now, go and subscribe the channel and like the video so we can read more fun books together.